Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mahmud here, helping you do better in maths by giving you tips and tricks on how to revise and going through maths revision on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified when I upload my next video. Now, what a week it has been. 24,000 subscribers in just 1 week. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe it myself. 24,000 subscribers. During the intense periods of the GCSE Maths exams, holding a full-time job, supporting my family, I continued to make the videos so that the students can actually persevere through their exams. Now for me, it was now or never. But I'm glad that I continued to upload those videos because it was watched by many and utilized by many students. Now how do I know this? Just have a look at these statistics. Have a look at the first graph. In the first GCSE Maths exams, the watch time was over 16,000 minutes. On the second day of the second paper of GCSE Maths exam, well, the watch time was over 46,000 minutes. And the final day, the watch time was a whopping 87,000 minutes. Clearly, people are benefiting from these and they were coming back for more. Now, as mentioned in my previous videos, I did not become a YouTuber to make an income out of it. Now, my passion is teaching maths and I want to help people by teaching maths to make them better in maths and become successful people. And Owen is one of them. Now, I have to be very honest with you guys. About a year ago, I had no idea what a disstrack was. And I was too naive to think that distracks were clean. Clearly, I was wrong about it. Well, I have a better idea about distracks now. Thank you to Owen. Now, I do not encourage anyone to swear or curse. Now, that was the low point of the distrack. Now, let's go past it and have a look at the positive points of this distrack. Now, Owen actually used the area circle pi r squared and the quadratic formula. Now, a year on, he remembered those. Now, due to this distrack, if people watch it and remember those two formulae, then it could actually help them out in their exams. So well done, Owen. Now, Owen did send out an apology in his last video. So as his former teacher and an adult, I accept it. Now, the request I will make to the viewers is, let's go past it and let's see how we can actually help you guys to learn maths better. Now, a special thank you goes out to Memeulous because he actually recognized how hard teachers actually work. And he actually identified me as a maths teacher just trying to help his students pass the GCSE exams. So thank you to Memeulous, you're a legend. Now, due to Memeulous' review and the support you guys have shown to me, I earned a small revenue on my YouTube channel. Now, at the moment, I'm on £45. Now, when it reaches £100, I will be able to withdraw that money, and I have decided to donate that money to a charity. Now, what I need from you guys is the name of a charity and a reason behind why I should donate to that charity. So if you comment below with the charity name, with the reason, what I do is I'll donate to that charity. Now, if I think I'm getting a lot of response from you guys with different charity names, what I do is I'll just put the names in a hat and pick out of a hat and then donate to that charity. Now, finally, I just want to finish by saying a big thank you to you guys for supporting me throughout. All these comments, all the likes, just overwhelming, guys. Thank you so much. So I'm going to end it here and I'll be waiting for your comments below with the charity name and the details of why I should donate to that charity. That's it for today. Mr. Mahmud, helping you do better in maths.